Hi, this is Joe Farr, the American guy from Platinum Properties. I'm here to show you this spectacular house at 1598 Old Cleveland Road, Belmont. This 2-acre home will appeal to all types of buyers, especially car enthusiasts, featuring its very own car lift and professional spray paint booth. Peter Brock would have stored his cars here for sure. With room for a tennis court, horses, and plenty of other four-legged animals, you will be moving in before you know it. Featuring 4 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 offices, and with car storage unlike any home in the area, you gotta come have a look. So call me today, Joe Farr, license to sell on 55007 007.